Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install and use your own VPN server for free using your Android phone. So if you are searching for VPN on Google Play Store, you will get lots of results. It is free also, but it is not secured. Okay, so if you are creating your own VPN server, it is most secure way to create VPN. Okay, so if you want to use your own VPN, so watch this video till the end and you will able to install and use your own VPN for free. So let's start. So first of all, open Chrome browser and search here own VPN Mahesh Technicals. Then you will get this article, which is how to make your own VPN for free using Android phone. So just open this article. If you not found this article, so you can open maheshtechnical.com website, then scroll down here, you will get search bar. Here type VPN and click on search. Then you will get this article. Okay, then open this article. In this article I'll already show you how you can install and use OpenVPN, but in this video I will share step-by-step guide. Okay, so first of all you need to check requirements. So first requirement is create DigitalOcean account for free with $200 credits for free. Okay, so you need to click on this link, otherwise you will not able to get $200 credits on your DigitalOcean account. So just click on this link and it will redirect you to promotional code page, and now you can create your DigitalOcean account from here and you will get instantly $200 credits on your account for 2 months. So you can use this VPN for 2 months. Okay, but you can use this VPN for 1 year as well, but you need to buy that account DigitalOcean $200 credit for 1 year account from me. So if you want to buy, then you can contact me on Telegram channel. Okay, Telegram group. So I'm going to show you. You can see this is my credits, 241 credits. Okay, so let me show you how you can start creating your own VPN server. So for that, just click on here, just click on create button. So in this guide I already told you how you can create DigitalOcean account and how to create Droplet. Okay, so you can follow using this article as well. So let's create our Droplet. Just click on create button, then click on Droplets. Now scroll up. Now choose your data center. So I am going to choose New York. Now select your image. So in image section we are going to use marketplace. So just click on marketplace. Now click on search keyword, search bar. Here type OpenVPN server. You will not see anything because of Android Chrome browser. So wait here, it will automatically return here. You can see. Now select OpenVPN access server, which is on second number. You can see this logo. Then scroll down and select your plan. So select basic and select regular and select $6 plan, $6 monthly plan. Okay, you can select any plan because you have $200 credits in your account for 2 months, so you can use bigger machine, but I am going to use $6 plan because I am creating for demonstration purpose only. Okay, so now authentication type, you can select password. Okay, don't choose SSH, only select password. After that you need to create your root password, set your root password. So I am going to paste my password here. So you can also create strong password for your root. Okay, so this is my password. After that you will get tags. So in the tag type VPN, then in the user name remove all and type VPN. Then check all your settings. If all okay, then click on create droplet button. Now it will start creating your droplet. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for your droplet creation complete. So guys, if you want to use DigitalOcean $200 credits for 1 year, so you can contact me on Telegram. I will sell DigitalOcean account for you at cheap price, so you can buy from me. So contact me if you want to use your VPN server or DigitalOcean account for 1 year, because with this link you can create DigitalOcean account $200 credit for 2 months only. After that you need 2 more applications, which is OpenVPN app and Use SSH app. So download both application from here, because I already installed in my phone. You can see that. Let me show you. You can see both application is installed on my phone. So you can also download and install both applications. After that you can see I shown how to create DigitalOcean account, how to create a droplet. I already provided all the details here with the screenshot, so you can easily create your droplet. After that, now we are going to use SSH. So we need to connect our droplet with SSH client. So for that you can see our server is created. So now here you can see this is our public IP address. Just click on it and it will automatically copy on your clipboard. So let's connect with our Choose SSH application. So click on manage connections, click on plus icon, then type VPN. In the address tab paste your IP address, then in identity tab just click on it and click on new button. Here type VPN, then username, type root in small letters guys, okay. Then password section, click on it and paste your root password which you set on DigitalOcean while creating droplet, okay. Just okay and press OK sign from above 2 times, and that's it. Your VPN connection is established now, okay. Now you can see we followed this method. Or now we need to configure our OpenVPN configurations. So you can see we have all screenshot here which you want to answer. So let's open and start configuring. Just open your VPN connection and accept the terms and conditions. Now it will automatically start configuring your OpenVPN server. So just wait here and type yes for agree terms and conditions. Then again it asks, so just type enter, just press enter, then select 1, then press enter. Now for all the questions only press enter and it will automatically start installing OpenVPN server on your system. Okay, so you can see our OpenVPN server is configuring. So please wait, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. After that it will give you 2 important links, so you need to copy that links to your clipboard. Done. So long press on screen, then select second option, then copy these two links which I shown you. You can see one is admin URL and second one is port URL. So just copy and paste anywhere and save it. You can see admin URL and port URL. Okay, so our OpenVPN is configured successfully. Now we need to set your OpenVPN admin panel password because we don't have password, so we need to set it. So for that you need to use this command. You can see how to set password for OpenVPN. You can see this command. Just copy this command and paste in the terminal. This command is written on my website is wrong, so when I publish the video I will change and correct these spellings. Okay, so for that type password PASSWD and type OpenVPN in small letters. This is the mistake in above command, okay, because we have capital letters, so type small letters. Then type your password. I am going to type 6 times 0. It is very simple password, but you will not see in your terminal, okay, so you need to type manually. After that, after password setup, now you are ready to connect your OpenVPN admin panel. Just copy this admin URL, open your Chrome browser and paste here, then click on details, then click on this link, then click on advanced, then click on this link. This is the SSL issue. It is not a big issue, no problem, we can fix with SSL installation. So now type username OpenVPN in small letters and your OpenVPN password which you set in your terminal, okay. Then click on sign in. Now click on agree terms and conditions, and boom guys, you are successfully logged into your OpenVPN server admin panel. Now we are ready to connect our VPN to any Android device or any other platforms like Windows, Mac, iOS, anything. So just copy second link and paste here, then log in again with your OpenVPN credentials like OpenVPN. This is your username and password which you set before. Then you can see you can download OpenVPN application for any platform, okay, download from here. But I am going to use Android phone, that's why I already installed OpenVPN application. So just copy admin URL again, then open your OpenVPN application, accept, then paste your URL here. So you can see already https://return. So remove this https:// you need to remove https:// from your URL because already written here. Now click on accept, then enter your username and password which is OpenVPN and your password which you set in your terminal, then click on import. That's it, your VPN now configured in OpenVPN application. Now we are ready to connect, but before we connect, let me show you my IP address location. So click on this link, you reach on this page. So you can see my IP address is hidden because of security reasons. So you can see in India and Maharashtra showing. India is my country, so showing in India. So let me connect this VPN. Just type password again and press OK. Press allow, and you can see our VPN is connected successfully. Now let's refresh this page and check our IP address is changed or address is changed or not. You can see this IP address is changed now, and my IP address is Digital Ocean, and country is United States, and city is New Jersey. So you can see our IP address, our VPN is successfully working. You can see connected successfully, and you can see this IP address and this IP address is same. Okay, so it means your VPN server is working perfectly fine without any problem. So with this method you can easily use your own VPN server. So if you want to delete this VPN server, so just go here and click on three dots, then click on destroy, then click on destroy this droplet. Then just copy about text. You can see this about text, which is VPN. Copy, then paste here and click on destroy. It will delete your droplet, so your credits will be saved. So with this way you can easily create your own VPN server for free, and you can use this for 2 months. If you want to use for 1 year, so you can buy DigitalOcean $200 credits from me. So contact me if you want to buy. I will provide in cheap rate. Okay, so you can see now we are going to connect, but it is not connecting because we already deleted our virtual machine here. So if you have any problem, so you can follow this method and follow this guide here. You can see this guide. In this guide I already give you all the details which you require to create your own VPN server. So just follow this guide and you can able to install and use your own VPN server, secure VPN server for free for 2 months using your Android phone, and you can use this on any platforms. Thank you so much for watching, guys.